make it like around the camera, it makes it flowery.
Lovely.
Can you take a picture?
No, because I'm filming your foot right now. Oh my gosh, loud noises. Hello! So things have happened and I'm okay. It's weird because I usually just do goofy dumb stuff, but I was like, you know what, I need to like talk about it, and I feel like this is the sort of place I need to talk about. Just out in the open, airplanes making a noise. Had an accident on the road as I was working. I'm okay, and the person that I got hit was okay, but yeah, I was in shock. I was in the wrong, and you know, it was my first proper like car accident, and I'm much more like with it now. I'm just a bit spaced out, but you know, yesterday, just for you, a few weeks ago, it felt really real and felt like, oh my gosh, the unspeakable could have happened. So I'm happy that I'm here, and the first thing that came to my mind was the people I love, which is my family, and they've been really supportive. So if you're watching this, thank you, I love you so much. I've learned my lesson. I'm taking a week of doing the things I love, which is making videos and doing dumb stuff, and yeah, just seeing people that, you know, actually make a good impact in my life. So yeah, there's a lot of talking about nothing that's fun, but I'm just grateful that I'm here and I'm alive and happy and not injured, and that I can continue doing the things that I love. So yeah, I'm grateful I can be here. So okay, let's go. I think I'm going to finish this video here because it's been a bit sporadic, and I've also got some clips for a future video, so I feel like a bit cheap today. But if you like, subscribe, hit the bell, do Saturday videos every week, and I also do like skateboarding, weird tricks, weird like trick shots, dumb stuff, fun stuff. That's it pretty much. Yeah, I'm sweaty, like. I had a shower, then I'm sweating, gonna have another shower. So I'm not helping the planet. Alright, bye. There's a guy watching me and he thinks I'm an absolute freaking loony. That's why I'm a loner. Actually no, I'm not. I've got friends and family. Anyway, bye. Not maybe. I like that you're making the sounds, but maybe not.
Okay.